Hi. There's your pen, man.
Okay, thank you.
That's okay. Thank you. Bye, buddy. Okay. See you later, man.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm heading over to Linda, Brock and Jesse's house. Gonna finish, hopefully, getting that R34 front bumper primed and sanded and ready for paint. Hey Linda!
Hi.
So, let's get this hideous paint off. In today's video, got a super special video because my R34, we're gonna get it ready for paint. No, we're not, we're just gonna sand it, but still, it's progress and I'm super pumped. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, tell some friends about the channel, and like always, if you're new here and you subscribe, your name goes at the end of the next video. Massive thank you to Linda, who's gonna help do some sanding, and also massive thanks to whoever else shows up and gives me a hand. I appreciate you. Dear neighbours, I apologise because the next 4 hours are just going to be... Okay, I'm going to pull those front windscreen wipers off because looking at them is sort of giving me AIDS. And then I'm going to pull that wing off, throw that away because it's rubbish. I mean, I'm not going to throw it away, I'll sell it, but... And then I guess we'll just jump into... Oh, hi!
Don't like that wing, do you?
Nah, I don't like the wing. I'm an aeroplane.
Smash this one.
Yeah. What was the point of that?
It's the gets, bro.
Mate, it was such a beautiful car.
Was it? No, it wasn't. It was always cool.
Mate.
That didn't even like leave it down. That little one. You can pop it out. Get under it.
As if you're going to ever go to that much effort.
No, why would I do
You should
that?
get set on the roof.
It's dirty.
Brad was sensible and said, hey, you should probably wash it before you scrub sand and dirt into it. Ow, you bastard. This gonna suck. Hell yeah.
Yeah, I've done like 2 seconds and my hands are already vibrating. I'd imagine what you guys were like.
Start this?
You were saying like 2.5 hours ago?
Yeah, like 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
Did alright.
I almost got the door handle.
Oh, good job.
I could have just reached and grabbed that down for you if you wanted.
Oh, well, that would have been a lot better because I jumped down last time and now both my wrists hurt.
Why'd you land on your wrist?
No, I barrel rolled, but then I shot.
It's like head first.
Why don't you get down with the tires up?
I should backflip.
It's only short.
Kickflip.
Give me a board.
Give me a ball.
Well, good work, team.
Good effort in like 2.5 hours though.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Not done.
Crazy. Far out, man. Half the car. A solid amount.
See how it comes up.
Yeah, you should.
Definitely.
Also,
Good.
I didn't do anything, don't include me in team. I'll miles away.
You will be the man.
Yeah. Hell yeah. So yeah.
Well, I think Jesse and Brock are coming over tomorrow.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So yeah, we're gonna give it a little wash and then we're gonna chuck it into the garage to probably continue tomorrow.
I'll be recording.
That's horrible.
Doesn't look purple though. Oh my god. It already looks so much better without all the fucking purple everywhere. Look at that maniac go.
That's wild.
That's so good.
Yeah.
It's not purple anymore.
Yeah, I know, right?
Not bad.
Pretty good. Actually, it looks way better.
It actually does look way better.
They came up good after you wet them.
Yeah.
You probably have to wet sand and clear them to make them look good.
I
You don't have
definitely
to
do.
clear. Clear will just make them last.
There's going to be 15 mil difference between my wheels and your wheels sitting out.
On each side.
Yours will be more aggressive.
Far out, man. It's super cool to jump straight into making progress on that car. Anyway guys, if you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, tell some friends about the channel, and like always, if you're new here and you subscribe, your name goes at the end of the next video. Cheers. I was zoomed in that whole goddamn time again.